The LG UltraGear GP9 portable gaming speaker is a unique all-in-one gaming audio solution designed for players who want powerful sound, voice chat capability, and portability in a single device. Combining speaker performance with headset-like features, it delivers an immersive and flexible gaming experience across multiple platforms. DTS Headphone X Virtual Surround Sound. The GP9 features DTS Headphone Butch X technology that creates a virtual 7.1 surround sound experience when using headphones. This enhances spatial awareness in games, helping you detect enemy movements and directional audio more accurately. Hi-Fi Quad DAC for premium audio quality. Equipped with a built-in Hi-Fi Quad DAC, the speaker delivers cleaner, more detailed sound with reduced distortion. This ensures a more lifelike audio experience whether you're gaming, watching content, or listening to music. Built-in microphone for voice chat. Unlike traditional speakers, the GP9 includes an integrated microphone with echo cancellation, allowing you to communicate clearly with teammates without needing a separate headset. This makes it perfect for multiplayer gaming setups. Portable design with 5-hour battery life, the built-in rechargeable battery offers up to around 5 hours of usage, allowing you to use it as a portable Bluetooth speaker. Whether at your desk or on the go, it provides flexibility without being tied to a power source. High-resolution audio support. The GP9 supports high-resolution audio formats, delivering richer detail and clarity compared to standard audio. This is especially beneficial for gamers and audiophiles who want more immersive sound quality. Customizable EQ and gaming sound modes. It offers multiple EQ presets and customizable sound modes tailored for different game genres like FPS or RTS. This allows you to optimize audio performance based on your gaming style. Bluetooth and multi-connectivity options. With Bluetooth, USB, and optical input support, the GP9 can easily connect to PCs, consoles, and mobile devices. This versatility makes it suitable for both gaming and everyday entertainment use. Overall, the LG UltraGear GP9 stands out as an innovative gaming speaker that combines immersive audio, voice communication, and portability, making it a great choice for gamers who want an all-in-one sound solution without relying on a headset.